Hello, I'm Will with Air Theater Designs, and today we'll be showing you how to close out apps on your Apple TV. So make sure you have your Apple TV remote ready. Okay, now that you have your remote, let's go ahead and push the back arrow, the home button, or the menu button. This will wake up your Apple TV. Now you should see this screen. Let's go ahead and tap the home button twice. This will show you all apps that are open. Now let's scroll over and swipe up. That app is now closed. You can scroll over to any app, swipe up. Now that one's closed. Scroll over, swipe up. You can choose any app to leave open or close. If you're having issues with your app, just make sure you close all of them. Now press the home button or the back button. This will bring you back to your home screen. If this did not work and the swiping was not working, let's go ahead and scroll over to the settings menu. Let's make sure we go down to remotes and devices. And we want to make sure your ClickPad is on click and touch. Let's go ahead and click it. See if mine is already on click and touch. If yours is on click only, choose click and touch. Select it and repeat the steps at the beginning of the video. That's it. You're all set. You're ready to go. Have a good one.